Alright, let's be real for a second. You've got that shiny new Rogers Bank card, right? Maybe it's the World Elite MasterCard, promising sweet cashback and Rogers benefits. Or maybe it's the standard one, just a solid card for your everyday spending. But here's the burning question, it's just a piece of plastic until it's registered. You're staring at it, wondering, how do I actually use this thing? I mean, we've all been there. That moment when you're holding a new card, a new account, a new anything, and the initial excitement is quickly followed by the slightly panicked, okay, now what? It's like getting a new gadget without the instruction manual. You know it's supposed to do something amazing, but you're not quite sure how to unlock its potential. Think about it. You're picturing those rewards piling up, maybe a free phone upgrade, or just the peace of mind knowing your finances are streamlined. But none of that happens until you get that card registered and activated. And let's be honest, navigating the world of banking apps and online portals can sometimes feel like trying to decipher an ancient scroll. So, you've probably tried a few things. You've maybe poked around the Rogers Bank app, clicked a few buttons, maybe even tried to use it at a store, only to be met with a confused look from the cashier and a card declined. You've likely Googled register Rogers Bank card and been met with a wall of text that's about as clear as mud. Well, you're in the right place. Because today, we're going to cut through the confusion. We're going to walk through the entire Rogers Bank card registration process, step by step, so you can get that card activated and start reaping those rewards. No more guesswork, no more frustration. Just clear, concise instructions that will have you up and running in no time. First things first, let's talk about why registration is so important. It's not just a formality. It's about security. It's about ensuring that you, and only you, have access to your account. It's about setting up your PIN so you can make purchases in stores. And it's about linking your card to your Rogers Bank account so you can manage your finances, track your spending, and redeem those rewards. Now, there are a few ways to register your Rogers Bank card. And the best method for you will depend on your preferences and your access to technology. We're going to cover all the bases, so you can choose the option that works best for you. Option 1, through the Rogers Bank app. This is often the quickest and most convenient method, especially if you're already a Rogers customer and have the app installed on your phone. Download and open the app. If you haven't already, download the Rogers Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app. Log in or create an account. If you're an existing Rogers customer, you can log in using your Rogers ID. If you're new to Rogers Bank, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and verifying your identity. Find the card activation section. Once you're logged in, look for a section related to card activation or registration. This might be labeled Activate Card, Register Card, or something similar. It's usually located in the Cards or Accounts section of the app. Enter your card information. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code, the 3-digit number on the back of your card. Double-check that you've entered the information correctly. Set your PIN. You'll then be asked to create a 4-digit PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like 1234 or your birth year. Confirm and activate. Review the information you've entered and confirm your activation. You may be asked to verify your identity through a text message or email verification code. Your card is activated. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message that your card is activated and ready to use. Option 2, through the Rogers Bank website. If you prefer to use a computer, you can register your card through the Rogers Bank website. Visit the Rogers Bank website, open your web browser, and go to the Rogers Bank website. Log in or create an account. Similar to the app, you'll need to log in using your Rogers ID or create a new account. Find the card activation section. Look for a section related to card activation or registration. This might be labeled Activate Card, Register Card, or something similar. It's usually located in the Cards or Accounts section of the website. Enter your card information. You will be prompted to enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Double-check that you've entered the information correctly. Set your PIN. You will then be asked to create a 4-digit PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like 1234 or your birth year. Confirm and activate. Review the information you've entered and confirm your activation. You may be asked to verify your identity through a text message or email verification code. Your card is activated. Once the process is complete, you will receive a confirmation message that your card is activated and ready to use. Option 3. By phone. If you prefer to speak to a representative, you can register your card by phone. Now, even with the clearest instructions, things can sometimes go wrong. So, let's cover some common troubleshooting tips. Incorrect card information. Double-check that you've entered your card number, expiry date, and CVV code correctly. A single typo can prevent your card from being activated. Internet connection issues. If you're using the app or website, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Account verification issues. If you're having trouble verifying your identity, make sure you're using the correct email address or phone number associated with your account. PIN issues. If you forget your PIN, you can usually reset it through the app or website. If you're having trouble setting a PIN, try a different combination. Contact customer service. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Rogers Bank customer service. They're there to help you resolve any issues you may be experiencing. Benefits of registering your Rogers Bank card. Once your card is registered, you can start enjoying all the benefits that come with it. Earn cashback and rewards. Start earning cashback and rewards on your everyday purchases. Manage your account. Track your spending, view your balance, and make payments through the app or website. Enjoy Rogers benefits. Take advantage of exclusive Rogers benefits, such as discounts on Rogers products and services. Enhanced security. Protect your account with PIN verification and fraud protection. Convenient payments. Make secure and convenient payments online and in stores. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to registering your Rogers Bank card. Whether you choose to use the app, website, or phone, you now have the knowledge and tools to get your card activated and start enjoying all the benefits. Remember, it's about taking that initial step, getting past the initial hurdle, and unlocking the full potential of your card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.